Hey everyone, it's your girl Coco Chanel back with another makeup tutorial video. This was my date night look and I love this so much. I just wanted to share it with you guys. After I did that, I said, ooh, okay, I'm doing a little something. So let me share it with my subscribers and viewers on YouTube. So I started with a brown sort of kind of flesh color to go right over my lid and that crease, and a little bit over the crease. I just eased that in there. No special technique with this, just make sure that color is there. Make sure you can see that color before you add your darker tone for your smoky. Now, getting ready for this date night only took me 30 minutes. And this video is only 5 minutes, so this should be quick. It's a quick look. It's one of those throw this on real quick before, your significant other says, let's go out, let's do this. Or your girls are like, let's go grab some dinner, let's go do something real quick. This is really just a quick look. And this is my first time doing my smoky eyes this way, so bear with me as we get the blending correct. Then I go in and I add that black, brown, whatever darker, whatever you want to smoke it with. I add that color just right on my lid, and I don't do too much. I like to do less is more because I rather not start all over again once I'm already in the process of getting ready before I have 15 minutes to be ready. So I like to just kind of add as I go and then blend from there. And then you just blend it in. You blend it in like that. Nice circular motions, nothing too crazy, but just right over where those colors meet. Okay. And even so, I say this all the time, I always go back and retouch my makeup after I'm done doing it, just to make sure it looks the way I want it to look, just to make sure everything's blended the way I want it blended. Make sure the colors that I want it to look are popping out, or doing what they're supposed to be doing, so you can see where the brown and that black kind of meets. And then you can add more if you like. If you don't want to go too dark on your eyes, I suggest doing the smoky this way, and maybe just don't carry it up too high, or maybe just don't carry what you're smoking it with. Maybe don't carry it too high up your lid when you do add that darker color there. And I'm just going to add it again because, sure, let's do it. And sometimes I like to call it quits and think, oh yeah, this looks good enough. Sometimes it does look good enough, and sometimes I just need to go back in and just keep blending. Just have fun with it. Experiment with it. And as you can see, I went back and blended it in a little bit more. This is the finished product without a full face. So before y'all get to hounding me, I don't always throw foundation on when I'm doing simple eye looks. But thank you for your support. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Make it hurt, rough sex, make it rough sex, make it hurt, rip the pants down.